Hi, this is Nathan with American West Realty and Management. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how we handle communication, what you can expect from your property manager, and why we keep owner-tenant communication running through our office. First off, we want communication to be clear and predictable, not random. Our team is available Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Every property is assigned a specific property manager. That person will be your main point of contact for questions about your property, your tenant, and your statements. To avoid mixed messages and dropped balls, we ask that all questions and decisions go through your assigned property manager rather than multiple people at once. This ensures you will always know who is responsible for your property and who to contact when something comes up. We work hard to respond quickly and keep good records. Our preferred method of communication is email because it creates a written record of questions, answers, approvals, and timelines. It also allows some time for your property manager to find the appropriate answer and provide a complete response. Our goal is always to respond within 1 business day. Text and phone calls may be faster, but they're harder to document accurately and they're easier to lose track of. You're always welcome to call or text, but for anything important like approvals, instructions, or questions you may need to reference later, email is the safest and most reliable option. Good communication doesn't mean you're going to hear from us a lot. It means the level and style of communication matches what you want. We encourage staff to keep owners informed, especially about meaningful events like new tenants, repairs, renewals, and significant changes in income or expenses. We know some owners don't want to be bothered, while others may feel more comfortable with regular updates and more detail. We invite you to clarify your personal preferences with your property manager. Let them know how often you want non-urgent updates and what your preferred method of contact is. We'll do our best to match your style while still maintaining good documentation and internal processes. Your monthly owner statement is more than just an accounting document. It's also an important way of communicating with you. Each statement shows your income, expenses, and net owner draw for the period. By reviewing your statement regularly, it's one of the best ways to stay plugged into how your property is performing. If there's a major deviation in income, for example, up or down by 25% or more, your property manager should reach out to you proactively to explain what happened to cause that deviation. This could be a vacancy, a major repair, a new fee, or an unusually high month of income. If you ever see something on your statement you don't understand, please reach out to your property manager and reference the specific month and line item. We're happy to walk through it with you. I'm going to explain how to read an owner's statement in a future video, so please keep your eyes out for that. Finally, I want to address communication between owners and tenants. We require that all communication be routed through your property manager. This ensures we're kept in the loop, it makes it easier for us to document and protect your interests, and it'll prevent future disputes. Well-meaning communication or side deals between owners and tenants can conflict with the lease, fair housing laws, or our processes. If something goes wrong, you could be pulled into a dispute or potential legal issue that could have been avoided. If you ever want to speak with your tenant, for example, to thank them, discuss a renovation, or coordinate an unusual situation, please coordinate it through your property manager. Allow them to be involved in the conversation, or at least keep them aware of it. This ensures you get the personal connection you're looking for, but with the protection and documentation that comes from having your management team in the loop. So to recap, your property manager is your main point of contact for all communication. Email is our preferred method so we can maintain a record of the communication. Be sure to let your property manager know what your personal preferences are for communication. And review your statements every month so you know what's happening with your property. Make sure all communication with tenants is routed through your property manager to protect you. If you ever feel you're getting too much or too little communication, just let your property manager know and we can adjust how we update you to fit your style and keep your investments well managed. In the next video, we're going to talk about how we market your rental.